Yesterday we were talking about set. Set is an interface. Under set we have a asset, linked HashSet, sorted set, interface, tree set. Now when to go for set, we already talked about. We want to duplicate. We don't want. Okay. We don't want duplicate. Then we go for set. Second, null value can allow only one time. Third, instruction order not preserved. Preserved. Fourth one is index not maintained. 10. Then we go for set. Now I'll open. Yesterday anyway theory done. Now open IntelliJ so that you'll understand what is the set, how to insert the value, how to delete the value. Yeah. Yesterday I think so like you will learn all loops, right? Uh, how to execute for each loop, for loop, and while loop, iterator, and Java 8 for each loop. Today also same thing we will learn, and that set related stuff. Okay, now set example. Public short required. Okay, now what happened? We need to define a set. It's set of integer or your choice, whatever you reference variable. You can give whatever you want, val or var something. New HashSet. HashSet. This is the implemented class. Now, first first point is what? Set does not allow duplicate. Now set val dot. Maybe you can say set is a reference variable. Smaller set dot. I want to add the element. Add the element in the set. We can use the add method. Okay. Now set dot reference variable dot add. See, add is there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. For instance, anyway, 1 I can add it. Your choice, whatever you want. Now I'm adding 4 times set. What is the contract first point? HashSet does not allow duplicate. Yes, out. Set. Now, see if you run the application, what will give you only one value because this all are duplicates, right? It won't allow. See, one value only. First point where HashSet does not allow the duplicates. For example, if you're adding 1, 2, 1, 3. Now, if you're adding one more duplicates, now see remove first See, it's remove the duplicates. It's not adding the duplicates. Now again, setter can allow only one time null value. Because same thing only. If you're adding null value here, set up, add up, null. Same null you can add somewhere else. Now only one time. What is the first value? That only it. See, null one time. Because set does allow only one time and allow. Okay. Now index is maintaining, instruction order maintaining. No. But see, now instruction are not maintained because 11 first, 12 second, third null, fourth maybe 13 should come, right? See, now it's coming null is the first. That's the reason it's not maintained the any instruction order. And I'm not maintained. Okay. Next point is it's not maintained. Index. Index also not maintained. Okay, then what happened? Set does not allow the duplicates. Set does not allow the null value. Index also. See, index also. There is no index. If you are doing debug mode, this is a set term. If you're going here, evaluate expression. See, there is no index. Just first value 11, two value this, third value this, null value, fourth value. While printing that, it's like some different way of its printing. Okay, it's behaving like uh, it's a different way. That means it's not maintained the index, it's not maintained the instruction order. This is a set. Now I want to remove the element. Okay, now I want to remove the element. Set, if you want to remove the element, for example, 11, 11 two times is there. What do you think? If I'm removing the element, our output should not, should not do 11. Because whenever set you're adding, right, that time one level only if you're seeing, right, there is no two levels. If you're removing this level, it should give output null 12, 13 only. See, null 12, 13. That is a remove. If you want to remove the element using object only. Previously, we can remove the element using index in array list, but in set it's not possible because it's not maintained the index. I already told you, set does not have a update method. Set does not have we can't update any value in set because we don't have update. Update, how can we update? We can use index, that particular value we can update. But here it's not having any index. We are not able to update the index. Sorry, update the value and get. Get means retrieval. Get the value in array list or linked list or list we have a get method. But here we don't have get a method. Then how can you retrieve the data? Using these loops. One is for each. One is iterator. Third one is Java 8 for each. Java 8 for each. Why can't we Why can't we not using for loop? 1 minute. For loop. Because there is no get method. If you are using, for example, for loop, you are using for into I is equal to 0, I is less than is equal to set dot size I plus plus. Then set does not out. Set does not have a get method. Then how can you get? We can't get. That is the reason they are not, whenever you are using a set term, they are not using this loop. That what is the loop? For loop they are not. They are using for each. For each already syntax, right? Like already list examples I have implemented, right? Same thing. Yeah, yeah. Example exercise. Okay, arrays list. See, this is a for each loop. What is the syntax? Collection. What is the collection data type and reference value, right? Now, what is the collection here? For each, it will come like that. What is the collection? Collection is a set. Set is a collection here. What is the set data type? Set data type is the integer. Here integer. You can give whatever you want, val, where, or whatever choice. Reference where. That's it. Now what happens? Set will retrieve the data one by one. Will add it till print it. See now. See null, null, that's it, print it. Okay. If you are adding again, if you are doing this way, debug mode, right click, debug one by one, you can see. It will add one by one. This is a missile card symbol. There is a step over F8 you can push, press. Okay, F8 you can press, then see now first element is printed, console, second element is printed, third element is printed. Anyway, there is no other elements, then simply it's coming to the out of the loop. That's it. Okay. This is the what is the one loop. Second loop is iterator. Set how to iterate the value dot iterator. What is the iterator return type? If you don't know, then control click this method. This method, what is the return type of iterator? Iterator of E. E means data type. What is which data type? Whatever the collection data type. What is the collection? Set. Set that is the data type integer. Then copy that and here you can paste. Now set have a iterator method. Iterator return type is iterator of integers. Why integers? Because you are adding an integer. But I don't want integer here. If you want to add a string here, then it will come here string. Okay. Now what happened? While itr dot has next its value is there or not, it will tell you. Okay. Next value return type is an integer because that is an integer. Next value it will give the object value. If it is there, then print it. If it is not there, it won't print. Same way, if you're going to the debug mode, same way to print. So now we're adding. Okay, that will print. Now we go to controller. Then first it has a value. Yes. Then it will print. Again, yes, value is there. Yes, value is there. Then that's it. This is the iterator. Now Java 8 for each. Now what we need to iterate? We need to iterate in the collection values. Now dot for each yes out system dot out dot SOUT out. That's it. Java 8, very easy. Java 8 for each loop. Now it's very easy because Java 8 is a faster. See, mm, what happened? It's not printing. Stop and running it. Why so? Why it is not? Okay, we'll see. Maybe my system is slow. It should print, no? Anywhere it's printing. User download accounts. Why this is not coming? Something is happening. Okay. Yeah, this is the way we need to print Java 8. I don't know why it is not printing. This is the way it will print, but okay, maybe why we need to hurry. You can ask ChatGPT. Don't think like that is wrong, okay? That is right only. Why it is not printing? That's what I want. Okay. Now, okay, anyway, this is not an issue. We can use so many ways to print it. It's okay. Now, what I want, you know now what is the set. Now, some people can, I want to, now some set methods we'll discuss. Okay. Maybe we can say some set methods are, um, okay, up to here we will discuss set method. Set have different types of kinds of methods. Now see, set have size method. Size method, when you run this, what is the size it will give you? You know it's printed. I think it's taking time or something. Okay, anyway, now what we'll do, I don't want to this, I don't want to remove also. Yeah, now I want what is the size of this set. Set, what is the size? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Because this null value duplicate, this 11 value duplicate. It won't allow. See, 4. That is the size. Now I want add method, you know, you add the element in the set. Is empty. Set is empty? No, because set has 4 values. Now what it will go, it will give the false. Is empty? No, false. Now I want set is empty, then I want private, then what we need to do? Dot clear is there. Now what you are doing, you are clearing the set. Now this method will give true. Is empty? Yes, is empty. Because I am clearing the set. See, true. This is the clear method. Clear method to clear your set values. Okay. Now again, I'm like, commenting that line. Then what happened? False. This is a set method done, add method done, size done, is empty done, add done. Remove. Remove anyway, we are removing the object. Contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there in that set? No. then it's not contains. That means it will give the false. False. Contains 11 element again. Then it should give true. True. Okay. Size 10 is empty and add and contains remove add all equals as code not required to array not iterator in a you used it. Then stream API. Okay. Except okay. All are stream not required. Okay. This is the what actually set. Okay. Now I I don't want duplicates, but I want insertion. That means how I'm inserting that same thing I want. Then you need to add here linked HashSet. Instead of set as is equal to new HashSet, you can use linked HashSet. Linked HashSet, what it will give? It will give the instruction order. It will give the instruction order. See now it's maintaining instruction 11, 12, null, 30. See 11, 12, null, 30. For example, I am adding one more element. 10. Now it will maintain insets 10 after 13 only it will come. See 11, 12, null, 13. When to go for linked list? I don't want duplicates. I don't want null value one time. I want null value one time. And I don't want to maintain the index. I want to maintain the instruction order. Then you go for linked hash set. I don't want to maintain the instruction order. And I want I don't want null value. I don't want null value one time. I don't want duplicates. Then you go for hash set. Now one more thing. I want sorting order. Then what we need to go? Sorted set S is equal to sorted set is an interface. New tree set. Before sorting the element, we can't allow one more point. Sorted set does not allow null value if you are adding you will get or we will get null pointer exception pointer I1 null pointer exception. For example, now we are adding null value. See now what happened, you will get a null pointer exception. See what happened, null pointer exception. Sir, I am like sorting, I am comparing first value, second value, third value, fourth value internally. I'm using comparable or comparator interface. Please don't allow null value here. Now you can run, it will sort your element. See 10, 12, 13, 15, 14, 12, 13. Now maybe if you're adding here, set that, add of 30. After 10 is coming first, right? 10 should come first because sorting order. 30 should come last. See now how they're sorting. Internally, they're sorting using, see 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. This is the sorting order. Now, if you are seeing all methods are same, you don't worry about anything. How come it's same? Because this all is coming from the, which interface? Set interface. I think now you know, right? Now set does not allow the duplicates. Set can allow null value only one time. Set not maintain the index. Set not having index. These 4 points is a set. When to go for has set, I don't want maintain the index, or I don't want maintain the insertion order, then you go for has set. When to go for linked has set, I want insertion order. I don't want duplicates. I don't want null value. I want null value only one time. Then you go for linked has set. This is mainly insertion order. Insertion order. Now coming to the sorted set tree set. Sorted set is an interface. We cannot create an object. Using tree set, we can create an object of sorted set. And what is that? This is mainly for sorting. Sorting. But before sorting, that collection should not have null value. If you have a null value, you will get a null pointer exception. Okay? That is the thing. If you want more depth of what is that and all, then I'll tell you now. For instance, I want how they're implemented the methods. Then simply you can click this controller. See, internally sorted set extend set only. You know that. Tree set. See, tree set is the method of tree set is a class. Internally, what they are extending abstract set. Abstract set extending abstract collection and set interface. In abstract collection, what they are using equals method and hash code, and all they are overriding equals and a hash code. Internally set how does not allow the duplicates. It's equals and a hash code internally, it's a override. First it will check it's already there or not. If it is not there, it will stop. Now going into the abstract collection. Abstract collection have all methods overridden here. Like what are the methods? Contains method we are using. How we are contains method where you are using. Add method you are using. That is a set method. All the things here overriding. That is the reason you are not giving anything. Simply you are adding automatically. It will add to your collection. This is the what actually internal implementation. But you don't need to worry about that because already they wrote they are giving a just adding a element or removing a element or iterator they are giving. You don't need to worry. You don't need to write your own set. You don't need to write your own linked hash set, right? That is the reason you don't worry about that. Whatever I taught you or I teach you right today, same thing you can learn it. That is helpful for your daily activities or daily work environment. Okay. I think so. Now I'm stopping here. Then we can move on map up. Then next session. That means next link. Can you please attend? In this because 2 minutes it will be expired. Next link please
Yeah.
join. Okay. Thanks. I'll stop recording.